Hey guys, welcome back. So now that the car's been repainted, we're going to install the window back into the car. So I have a new seal on all the way around. We have a yellow cord after it's been shoved into the gap all the way in. So what we're going to do is, I think the easiest way of doing it is line up the bottom, sit it in, and then pull the cord the whole way around, and hopefully it'll all sit in nice and tight. And that little lip here has to sit onto a little lip, metal lip inside the frame of the window. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to record or not, but hopefully it'll be installed by the time I come back to you. Okay, so this seal here, the lip here, was folded back, so just after using a little pick, just very carefully just walking it back out, so it's actually now on the outside rather than being curled back in. Okay, so the first step I've done is basically put the seal on, put the window roughly in place where it's going to be, and push it down so the seal is actually sitting flat the whole way around. So now I know that the window is actually centered. That's not too much to one side or to the other side. Now I'm going to start pulling the cord. Grab our cord and just gently pull it, and it's all going in. Whew, and it's in. So it is so hot here. It's like 30 degrees. So probably not the best time to be putting in a window, but it's in. Let's have a look at it. Okay guys, so I have the window back in. So I'm delighted with that, it looks great. So Trevor Brady definitely makes it look way easier than it actually was. If you want to see his video, check out the link in the description down below. On my one, because I cut it here and cut over there and welded a new panel back in, I think between welding it and just working on it, basically the aperture or the hole that the window fits into got ever so slightly smaller just between it being welded and maybe it just moved when I was welding it. So that meant that the hole was smaller, I mean the window was still the same size, and it didn't fit very well. So what I ended up doing on my third or fourth attempt, because it didn't happen on the first go, was got this here to sit down right. So basically the window was sitting upright, but it was all sitting correctly, and this little rubber lip here sitting on the outside, so it was sitting correct. Then I laid the window backwards, making sure that it was actually sitting in correct, that it wasn't too much to one side or to the other side. Lined up the top again, so I had my cables that to pull the rubber lip over the metal lip here at the top. So I started at the top, but basically just pushed the whole window down and got everything to line up correctly first, and then just very carefully just pulled it the whole way around. Just before doing that, I made up some suds and water and squirted it all, especially here in the corners. Basically just squirted everything the whole way around, but made sure I put a lot here in the corners. It just meant when I was going around the corners, it made it a lot easier to pull the cable the whole way around. When you're pulling the cable, you don't just pull out vertically, you kind of pull towards the handbrake, so like always towards the handbrake or the middle of the car, and that makes the cable just pull that little bit easier as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. So now the window is in, happy with that. So next thing I think is going to be the dash and the wipers. So you just have to impress people to get people to watch your show. Now you just have to impress the algorithm. So why not give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe over there, don't forget to ring the bell. All hail the algorithm. So guys, thanks for watching, see ya later.